Okay, then leave it right there. Mama.
Tommy birthday next.
Just ask Mama to go by. Yeah, hi Iris. Well, they expensive.
Yes, we paid. Yeah, John was paid $1,200.
No, we paid $250.
But we was able to do everything like it was game night.
Yeah, we did all that too. I'm not on
We
liquor.
had to go to all the waterfront, and then we had a suite.
Well, yeah, we did that at Mount Olympus too, but we just had the hotel room.
Thanks.
How many bedrooms did the suite have?
3?
Three.
No. They had 2 bedrooms, but one of the bedrooms was like double bed.
He want to get it at the end
No,
of the year.
this ain't
Ooh, how nice. Ayar, you'll always be my little girl. You got that for your birthday?
What
They
you
only
got?
put 250 on this card.
That's better. That's
They
how
say
much
IRS
Open, Mama.
You talking about, right, let's tell that.
she got something different. She said hers, so whatever she got was 500.
To my beautiful daughter, Mommy loves you. You make me so proud. Come on, Mommy made this book for you.
There's so many pages.
Yes. What, Tanaya?
She said, where her book at?
She got one? Her mama made her a picture book.
No more.
Hey there, little girl. You've had quite the day. I've had a big one, too. There's so much to say, but words won't do. So let's just be here, just me and you. Your little hand curls around my fingers with your eyes. You say hello. My answer back, hi, Ayari. I'm Inya, your mommy. Aww. And I'm letting go. I know your hand will grow and you will, and so will you. Yes, pretty, pretty? Yes, pretty, pretty. Yeah, come on, read, baby. And I'm not letting go. I know your hand will grow and so will you. You'll crawl and climb, you'll run and fall, you'll skin your knees. It happens to us all. But each moment makes new memories and I'll be there for everyone. Your path is your own, but it's right next to mine. We'll tell our own stories, hand in hand, one step at a time. We'll do little things, big things. I can see us now, and in all we'll do, one thing stays true. Look at you, mama girl. Yay! That's not all the book, but hey, come on, turn it over.
Okay.
Let's see the back. Ayari is growing up so fast. Yes, she'll always be your little girl. The moments you share won't fade away. They'll become memories of all you do. This book shows the ways your love will grow strong and creates the bond you'll always hold on to. Just the two of you, Inya. Show us how Mommy Ayari bonding times ensures this eternal girlhood by sharing your memorable moments and on social media using the hashtag #AlwaysLittle. That's for you, Ayari. You like it? Do you like it? Will you like your car? Bust open the car! Yeah! You get a car! You get a car! You get a car! Dada, come on, baby. Come over here. How much you pay for dinner?
This one was 20.
And this one was $25. That's $7. I don't know how many dollars. That's
It's the menu on the other side. The menu on the other side. You can choose a drink and then